Dá like nesse vídeo, gente. Se inscreve no canal. Esse vídeo aqui esse jogo dá um medo do caraca. Eu tô trazendo aqui pra vocês. Então, né? Vocês me devem. Aí. Vou aumentar aqui um pouquinho o volume.
I will be your personal guide to help you get started. I'm a Model 5 of the Handyman's Robotics and Unit Repair System, but you can call me Hand Unit. Please enter your name as seen above the keypad. This cannot be changed later, so please be careful.
Cadê o A? Ah, já foi outro já. Deus.
It seems that you had some trouble with the keypad. I see what you were trying to type, and I will auto-correct it for you. One moment. Welcome, Eggs Benedict.
Eggs Benedict. Ai, que susto, gente. Deu mau barulho lá, mas não, eu pensei que era alguma coisa. Que susto. Caraca. A música mais alegre.
You can now open the elevator using that bright, red, and obvious button. Let's get to work. Allow me to fill this somewhat frightening silence with some light-hearted banter. Due to the massive success, and even more so the unfortunate closing of Freddy Fazbear's Pizza, it was clear that the stage was set, no pun intended, for another contender in children's entertainment. Unlike most entertainment venues, our robotic entertainers are rented out for private parties during the day, and it's your job to get the robots back in proper working order before the following morning. You are now in your control module. View the window to your left. This is the Ballora Gallery Party Room and Dance Studio. Let's turn on the light and see if Ballora is on stage. Press the blue button on the elevated keypad to your left.
Babaca.
It looks like Ballora doesn't feel like dancing. Let's give her some motivation. Press the red button now to administer a controlled shock. Maybe that will put the spring back in her step. Let's check the light again. Excellent. Ballora is feeling like her old self again and will be ready to perform again tomorrow. Now view the window to your right. This is the Funtime Auditorium, where Funtime Foxy encourages kids to play and share. Try the light. Let's see what Funtime Foxy is up to.
Caraca, mano. Gente, eu tô ficando com medo, porque agora deu mais um.
Looks like Funtime Foxy is taking the day off. Let's motivate Funtime Foxy with a controlled shock.
Gente, acho que eu vou parar de gravar esse vídeo, gente. Que tá pica. Não, tô cagando.
Let's try another controlled shock.
Não, mas também só lembrando, gente, se o barulho estiver ruim, porque meu ar-condicionado tá ligado, porque eu não ia ligar o ventilador porque ia fazer muito barulho, então liguei o ar-condicionado. Tá? Beleza, então.
Looks like Funtime Foxy is in perfect working order. Great job. In front of you is another vent shaft. Crawl through it to reach the Circus Gallery control module.
4 minutos. Acaba logo o tutorial, acaba logo.
On the other side of the glass is Circus Baby's auditorium. Let's check the light and see what Baby is up to. Looks like a few of the lights are out, but we can fix that later. Let's encourage Baby to cheer up with a controlled shock. Let's try another controlled shock. Let's try another controlled shock. Great job, Circus Baby. We knew we could count on you. That concludes your duties for your first night on the job. We don't want you to leave overwhelmed, otherwise you might not come back. Please leave using the vent behind you, and we'll see you again tomorrow.
Ah, tá. Ah, não, gente. Para de bater. Caraca. Aê! Bom, gente, espero que vocês tenham gostado do vídeo. Se você gostou do vídeo, não esquece de se inscrever no canal, deixa seu like e tchau.